Want to start a business in the USA that can earn $500 plus a day without renting a shop or hiring staff? Stay tuned, because in the next 15 minutes, I'll show you exactly how. Most people think making money in the USA requires a 9-to-5 job or huge investment. But here's the truth. There's a small, in-demand business that almost anyone can start today. Can you guess what it is? I'll reveal it in a second, so keep watching. It's a mobile car wash business. You go to clients' homes or offices and wash their cars on the spot. Why it's booming in the USA? People are busy. They don't have time for traditional car washes. Convenience is king. Customers pay for door-to-door service. Low startup cost, less than $1,000 for full setup. Think this is too simple to make real money? Wait until you see the pricing and profit details coming up in the next 2 minutes. Here's exactly what you need to start. Bucket, soap, microfiber towels and sponges, $50 to $100. Portable vacuum for interiors, $50 to $150. Water tank if client doesn't have a hose, $100 to $200. Your car or van for transport. Optional, polishers, wax applicators, steam cleaners. Total investment, $500 to $1,000. Sounds easy? Wait, in the next part, I'll show you how you can turn this tiny investment into $500 plus per day. Typical USA prices: basic wash, $20 to $40. Interior detailing, $50 to $100. Full service wash, $100 to $200. Do just 5 to 10 cars a day and you're already making $300 to $1,000 daily. Want to know the secret to getting clients instantly? Stay tuned, I'll reveal it next. Fast ways to get clients: social media, Instagram Reels, TikTok, showing before and after results. Google My Business, Yelp, Nextdoor for local reach. Flyers in neighborhoods. Offer first wash discounts or package deals. Here's a pro tip: always ask happy clients for referrals. They can double your business in days. Think that's enough? Next, I'll show you how you can scale this business and make $5,000 plus per month. Once you have repeat clients, hire a small team and run multiple crews. Offer subscription plans for monthly car cleaning. Get corporate contracts, offices, car fleets. At this stage, you're not just earning a side income, you're running a full-time, profitable business in the USA. But there's one mistake almost everyone makes. I'll tell you in the next section to avoid losing clients. Always deliver high-quality work. Repeat clients are your gold. Track your expenses versus profits carefully. Offer add-on services, waxing, ceramic coating. Schedule wisely. Weekends and good weather bring more bookings. Stay professional, uniform, polite, clean tools. Mistake to avoid: low quality or late service. One bad review can hurt your reputation fast. Want to see a real-life example of someone turning $500 into $5,000 a month? Watch the next minute. The mobile car wash business is simple, low-cost, and highly profitable in the USA. Anyone can start today and make their first $500 in just a few days. If you learned something valuable, subscribe for more USA business ideas. Like this video and comment below which business you want me to explain next. Remember, every big business starts with a small step, so grab your tools, start cleaning, and watch your profits grow. Like this video if you want more step-by-step USA business guides. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a chance to start your own profitable business. Comment below which business you want me to show next. I might make a full video just for your idea.